In this video, we will demonstrate how to test a fuse using a multimeter. Before testing a fuse with a multimeter, ensure the equipment is turned off and carefully remove the fuse by pulling it straight out from its slot. Set the dial to continuity check. The block probe goes into the negative terminal labeled COM, and the red probe goes into the continuity terminal. Touch the positive and negative leads together, and the multimeter should beep. Place the probes on either side of the fuse. I should get a beep to indicate that the 2 points are electrically connected. So this fuse is good. If the fuse is blown, the meter indicates open loop or OL. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification.